Okay, we got here a 2013 Dodge Charger V6, and we're just replacing the brake pads to it. Pretty easy, pretty quick. You have two, let me see where they're at. You have two size 13 bolts. One goes here and one goes down here. So what you do is you remove those two size 13 millimeter socket bolts, remove those, then you wiggle the caliper off. Once you get the caliper off, you want to sit it on something so that your caliper is not hanging and damaging the brake line. Once you get that off and off to the side, your brake pads go in here on that bracket. Once you get your brake pads off, I would recommend to change the hardware, which I already did. I don't have any grease at the moment or around here, but I would recommend to also grease up your hardware, your piston, before replacing your brake pads. But your brake pads go on exactly the way they came off, like that. And we got the one that goes on this side, which goes on the same way. Once you got these brake pads on, then kind of just reverse the process. We'll go ahead and push that piston in so that the caliper goes on. We'll tighten it up. Got the C-clamp clamped to the caliper, pushing in the piston a little so we can wiggle on this caliper onto this brake pad. Okay, here we got the caliper back on. We got the two bolts on. Everything looking good. Go ahead and get the ratchet, tighten it up. That's it. Caliper's on. I went ahead and tightened this tight enough. Put the wheel back on and jump over to that driver's side.